So how are you all doing today? Got a little news update. They confirmed 3 cards in the pins, 2 of which are in the same. This is just for ones who haven't seen it. So I thought I'd show you guys, all my subscribers. Elder Focus 10 and Heroic Champion Excalibur. This is on the official site too, as you can see, on Yugioh.com. It's not real. This is real. They have confirmed Zenmaines a promo, and Dark Highlander in this 10. Then you look at the other 10. Blizzard Princess is in this one, so there's still 4 promos off. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this Wind-up Zenmaines reprint in the comments. That thing is gonna drop. Oh man. This is freaking hilarious. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show that we're getting the Zenmaines reprint. Oh yeah. Most everyone's heading toward nationals right now, so I wish I could go, but damn, well, it could happen. So yeah. That's all I wanted to say was this reprint. And forgive me if I seem a little first time I'm doing something like this, so peace. Sorry the video is drawn on, the camera doesn't know how to shut off.